Hello everyone. So who am I? My name is So what I'm doing here. Today I want to present to you guys my capstone project for Sigma School Bootcamp, batch August 2024. Okay. So what is Cheatsheet.cam? So basically, I try to build a cheat sheet that for beginners can visualize and copy paste the code. So here's the website. So just precautions. This is not unofficial. This is not from Sigma School. It's just my project. Okay. So before we start, who am I? My name is Aim. I'm from Sepang, Selangor. So you guys can visit the website. I give you 5 seconds to visit the website. If you want to scan, you can see the QR code there. Cheatsheet.cam. Okay, if we are on the same page, then we just proceed. So here is Firebase Analytics. For the previous 30 days, I got a 64 users activity. And then why I'm doing this? Since I'm a beginner, right? So this is a beginner perspective. So I realized that the reading explanation of a lot of text is time consuming, and then why not you just visualize, right? And that's number one. Number two is we are doing a lot of coding challenges together, but a lot of time I see we are doing the same mistake, like square bracket and then curly bracket, right? So I think copy paste is a good things, but you need to understand the concept first. So we're going to the resource. So the resource I get is first the website. You can go to Gig for Gigs. It's very good. You can copy paste the text, but the problem is there are lack of visualization. And then you can have the pictures like website like Pinterest, right? They have a lot of images you can visualize, but the problem is you cannot copy paste. It's just images. And then what is the solution? Cheatsheet.cam. You can visualize and copy paste the code. So this is my 2 cent idea. I think the teachers in tech can leverage the cheat sheets to make students understand quickly. So especially for Sigma School, right? We are not covered for CSS and HTML. So I hope we can work together or not. Then yeah, we can see. Then this is for demo. I'm sorry. Oh, okay, sorry. All right. So let me start in. Okay, so this is Cheatsheet.cam. This is navigation bar. This is just nothing to do. And then this is toggle dark mode. And then this is a login button. You can click it. And then if you don't have a account, then you can create an account. If you have, then sign in. This is my account. Me. And then this password. Okay. On the side, there's a lot of topics you can choose, and there's a lot of in this memory state. And then we just go to layout. And then this is the main content. So as you can see, there's a description columns, code columns, and then this is a visual column. And then, for example, right, if you don't understand the border, and then you can copy paste the border if you want to test, and then you see the border. And then padding, this is a padding, this is a margin, and this is a margin. And then you can see the overflow. You can understand again for the measurement unit. You can pixel you cannot change even the browser is changed or not. The size still same. And then for the percent, they follow the parent. So okay. And then follow the view part, and then EM and REM. What's that, right? So we go to comment section. You can comment. Please comment the EM section, measurement unit, and then you can send to anyone you want. And then you can choose the image, and then just click submit. Okay, you can see the comment. And then if you want to EM and REM, you can edit, and then you can update. And just click update. And then if I will reload it, you can see EM and REM. There's a crowd operations. If you want to delete, then just can delete, and then I will reload. So the comment deleted. I think that's it. I think we have 30 seconds left. Oh, sorry. Haris. We have 30 seconds left. Should I continue or just? Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Next. Okay, so the technical overview. I'm using JavaScript, React, Node.js, and PostgreSQL. And the challenge I encounter is the data stored in the SQL database, but I accidentally delete the data. So the solution is I switch from, instead of storing the data, I store as a JSON format, so I can track the history. So everyone want to contribute to my open source project, I welcome you to contribute to my project. It's okay if you delete the data, because I already have the Git. So what is the key features? Cheat sheets and comments. So what is the unique selling point? You can visualize and copy paste the code in one website. So what you learn, number one is GitHub flow, two is CSS fundamentals in details. So for the feedback iteration, I just want to thanks to Haris, because he keep remind me to prioritize the requirement instead of doing the fancy stuff. And then for the personal growth, I gaining experience in a real software development cycle. And if summary, if you want a tech cheat sheet that you can visualize and copy paste the code, then use Cheatsheet.cam. So for the mentors and for the coding instructor, very thank you, because you're giving the learning experience very engaging. And then for the Safa, and then June Hang for making it smooth, and all friends for collaborative experience. I will never get this kind of experience if I coding alone. So my resources, mostly I'm using ChatGPT. So this is my extra things. I think we should stand up together, because after graduating, right? If you guys have time, and then I hope that you guys can contribute to each other source project. So because I think we have the competitive advantage more than other applicants out there. Even the university students, I don't think they can have the collaboration experience. So I very hope that we can contributing to each other project, especially if you have bugs, right? So please make an issue, then everyone can contribute.